Okay, now we're actually going to add the 853 content onto the page. I'll show you how that's done. As you can see, I've already changed all the slugs. So for pH1. And we're going to show you here now how we go to the next step. And we do is edit there. And we're going to get rid of all the old stuff. So we know we're good to there. Bam. We're going to come in here. And we're going to take, this is our top of the page now. And that goes right there. All right. Already set to go to Rosales. Perfect. All looking good there. And if you note, you remember I took out that back to Philippines because that's all now in the main menu. See, it's all right here. This is what it used to look like. And it's very different now. Now the next part is coming down here and going behind the code. To do this, drop that down. You're going to have to do that, otherwise it's going to put this text in front of your first line. Used to not be a problem, but now you have to do that. And we'll pull our, this one goes behind the first line right here. And then just like that. That goes right there. Notice it's a space down, not a space down, but a next down for that next one there. And you'll see why later. Now what I do is I come down and I'm looking for the next SAM ad. That one was 65. His and I've been pretty good by keeping it like at 66 should be the next one. Yeah, there it is. Got that. Cut my page and get my next editor thing here and just keep pulling it. And this should give us the proper amount of depth to get good coverage on the page, to have enough content. We're having to work around it here because they don't really, SEO doesn't really work for us like it does for everybody else. Let's see. What's the next one? There it is. And come up right there and put it in. And there we go. I'm just going to pause this now and finish. Okay, now it's behind all of the SAM ads. And they're looking good. So now the next step is come back to our page and just start working our page down. Here's our links for this page. So put those two in. Get rid of the old link. And then get rid of it. And there we are. It looks good. Now let's see what we got here. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, now it's finished updating. And there's the new page. So what it looks like now is what it used to look like. It's a lot cleaner, a lot more efficient. Good. And see if you put it down, but it push one of those out. So you got to be careful with that. There it is. There. And our backlinks look good. Excellent. Let's go up here. Now we'll start working down our page and we'll start working our 853. All right. According to our 853, that's wrong, so we got to start updating information. Let's come down SEO title. I just start working the whole page. Down here, edit snippet, and there's your SEO title. Put that in. Yeah, you pan restaurants, good. Slugs right. Meta description still the old one. We go get the new meta description. Copy it and bring it over. There we go. The reason it didn't have a period on it is because one I had actually went over by the one period. That was Angeles City, I think. Pan restaurants. Okay. So now let's go back and see what that looks like. Now let's check and see what we got. Image attributes is the only thing missing. But we're still not done. We have a bunch of other little stuff to add that I added in here to give us even better SEO. Focus key phrase, good. Synonyms. The reason for this, I put dining, restaurants, on some of the pages that have small copy amounts, like Bam Bang and so forth. It wasn't enough to make it read well. So I look for words in other eateries that I could put in these synonyms that will goose us to get the right things. This is increasing that will increase our efforts a lot. And then couple that with this right here. I use this related key phrase, restaurants and Japan. And I'll show you how to do that. That's only if we have the premium now. Okay, so all we're missing now is the images. We'll get to that in a second. Add the added key phrase. We're going to add that one, restaurants Japan. Let's see how it rates out. Still has image, but we're going to fix that in a second. Key phrase density is 1%. That's good. So over here we can see how many words we have. This one's got 919 words. Bam Bang was about 230 or something like that, so I had to add some words there. But for the most part, we're going to be over 919 if you have over 10 eateries or so. Okay, so all that looks good. Now let's go do our next step. I'm going to do that. Just want to be in that one. Add a widget. Visual editor. There we go. What we're going to do is we're going to go there. And as you remember, I've already uploaded my things to the server in the right area, the Alt PH1, which means all my image code right here should work. Let's go look. And in a second, we're going to add these. I like to make them back to back, so knocked out my thing. Can't do that. If you understand what I was saying, if you hit delete right here, it's going to knock out this first one here. If you go there and back up, it's going to knock out this part. So you're backed up as far as you can in text. Okay, done. Update. Okay, it's done doing that. There's our pictures. And now let's go see how we did with this. Nothing. Everything's down, all looking good. Related. Everything looking good. So over here, it doesn't matter how these pictures look. I mean, the way I had it, it had one picture and then the three. Doesn't make any difference. You're looking for the alt text. You're not really based on pictures. We're having to try to work around because our website is not really designed for them to index us very easily. So we have to make it so that it's easy for them. I also like to check the link. Let's check that. That should go right across. I did change this logo, so there it is. Okay, so our link works. Japan's in. Now we got, that's it for now, for this video. Next we'll be making the 857.